Ready for the fifth and last learning unit? Learning Unit 5, Exercises and Methods. This unit will present you methods which boost resilience. This unit has 6 desired outcomes. 1. To apply and guide methods to strengthen empathy and social skills to boost resilience. 2. To apply and guide methods to strengthen self-awareness and personal growth to boost resilience. 3. To apply and guide methods to strengthen self-esteem and self-confidence to boost resilience. 4. To apply and guide methods to strengthen self-care to boost resilience. 5. To apply and guide methods to strengthen emotional intelligence to boost resilience. 6. To know and apply appealing methods to promote resilience. As always, take your time going through the unit, don't get overwhelmed. Enjoy the course. For more information about the project, www.AHEADinVET.com.